Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, June 3rd, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low, and a fairly large white-bodied candle. The white body denotes the buyers making a substantial amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. And if we look for the past 3 out of 4 candles, we see fairly large bodies, and in relative terms much larger than some of the bodies that we've seen in the recent past. This suggests that there has been somewhat of a change in sentiment in this market. It suggests that the buyers are quite strong in this market, and for today's trading they've found some strong net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, and suggests some good solid upside momentum. The buyers have closed with control of this market. They have closed up towards the high and substantially above the midpoint level, and it is fairly strong control. But if we look at the shadow on the bottom here, we saw the sellers testing down to the 129.68 level of previously strong support, and prior to that was previously strong resistance in the recent past, and then previously fairly strong support, and today it has acted as support once again. So it is an important level for this market, and one that we should watch if the market does come off. 129.68 has been a very important level for this market. But looking at the shadow on the top of this candle, and we saw some decent price rejection as the market attempted to trade above the 130.79 level, and also price rejection as the market tested to the top of the Ichimoku cloud. And we've seen here previously that and in prior markets how the cloud can act as an area of support or resistance, and with this price rejection here it does raise some doubt about the potential for this market to continue rallying. We have the market trading at the moment at this 130.79 level, and we are being rejected from there, and also the top of the cloud has actually moved down closer to that level, so very solid resistance overhead for this market. We will be looking for a potential breakout to the upside and a close up above the cloud, and what we'd like to see is a bullish breakout, and that would suggest that we could see some follow through in this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend that the market's into the previous time the market was trending up, and here we saw the market trade to the 161.8% level and be rejected from there. That coincided with an area just above the cloud, strengthening the resistance that we had around that area. And with this moderate amount of downside price rejection, it does mean that the area here, we're at 131.15, will be very strong resistance moving forward. And also with the Fibonacci retracement, we're in an expansive mode of that, and the 161.8% level coincided roughly with the area around the top of the cloud, and does for tomorrow's trading as well, 130.88, and does strengthen the potential resistance around that level. So we do have some doubt about the market continuing to trade to the upside. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously a neutral market in big picture terms. Here we see the market trading within the cloud, so no clear direction in that long-term time frame, so we do need to be aware of that and trade in line with that. So it might mean that if we have profits here, we take profits. We may not initiate trades if we are trading with that higher time frame. But looking at the market in relation to the Kijun-sen, the market has closed in a bullish manner up above that Kijun-sen for the second out of the past 3 periods, and does suggest potentially a change of sentiment in this market, and does suggest that there is potential for the market to trade to higher levels, but we would need to see the market trade up above the top of the cloud. In terms of the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, we are trading up above them. We have been for quite some time, and today we saw the market find support at the Tenkan-sen, and this tells us that we have a bullish market in the short-term time frame, and suggests that we could see this market trading to higher levels. But moving forward, obviously the area near the cloud and just above it from 130.79 up to around this 131 level is a very solid resistance, and does raise doubt about the market testing higher at the moment. As this candle is currently developing, we are seeing a black body forming, and does suggest that this area is holding as resistance. But if the market does trade lower, we should have very solid support around the 130.25 level. It's the bottom of the cloud, a very thin part of the cloud here. So the bottom of the cloud is just around there. It's a previous important level of support and resistance, and it also coincides with the area around the Kijun-sen. So we have a market that has no clear direction at the moment, with very solid resistance overhead, but very solid support down below. We really should be waiting for a clear breakout in a bullish manner above the cloud, or a clear breakout in a solid bearish manner down below the cloud, or below the 129.68 level.